Good morning to all of you, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself Aditya Yadav from class 9th. Today I am going to deliver a speech on the topic of the selfness discover from a journey. We all know that in our life many difficult time we are faces, like the person who self discover by medication journaling and medication journaling selfish travels and hopes. In our person the mind were very dedicated. They have very bad position for they go for tours, and their hope were completed. And in our mind refreshing we use for medication and journaling. That's all. Thank you.
So first of all, a very, very good morning to one and all present here. I am Srishti Shri from Standard 9, standing in front of you all to deliver a speech on the topic of the journey of self-discovery. Self-discovery means that knowing about ourselves. How it is possible? There are many methods to do this, like meditation, like writing. Most of the people have writing of diary writing daily. They write about themselves. And also there are many methods like traveling and socializing with others. But as a humans, we are social animals, and we used to think about others' life. We don't notice about ourselves, like our strength, our weaknesses, and about all the things. We always matter to know about something else from the others. This is the biggest weakness of everyone. If you want to know about yourself, there are many things and many methods by which you can do it. Like, in my opinion, the best thing is traveling. When you travel from one place to other alone, then you see many possibilities. You face many problems and you manage to do it by yourself. You see many cultural differences, many places, and know about the world by your own self. So I think traveling is the best way of gaining knowledge. Like similarly, Gautam Buddha, he discovered himself when he went out of his castle. By living in four walls, you can't know about yourself, what is your true weakness or about yourself. So I think by this you can understand what I mean to say, and all you have to know that this journey is completed by the time, and you have to make patience and also try to know about your skills in which you are interested. That's all for today. Thank you.
Good morning to all respected teachers, principal, and all my dear friends. I am Kausar Ansari from Standard 9. Today I am standing here to talk about the journey of self-discovery. Self-discovery means to finding the purpose of our life and finding character and personality of us. We should find self-discovery by meditation and try new thing and traveling. In my opinion, meditation is the better thing for finding self-discovery. For example, Gautam Buddha meditate under the Bodhi tree for 7 days, and he get enlightenment. So self-discovery is finding by meditation. In my opinion, that's all. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here, respected principal sir, respected judges, and all my dear classmates. It's quite an humble request to you. I am honored to stand before you today. Myself, Fajid Ansari, student of class 9. Today we are gathered here to share a message that I believe has the power to change our life. Yes, guys, I am talking about the journey of self-discovery. Firstly, you know what the meaning of journey of self-discovery. The path in which we increase our thoughts, why we become made to increase our mind to develop our country and our society. Firstly, you increase our or judge our self with the help of meditation. If we meditation, then we control our mind. And second, we visit the place where we are full of nature. And third one is write a journalist. If we write a journalist, means our thought, then we write our thoughts, then we say we are thinking about that. And fourth one is think about new ideas. If we think new ideas, then we hit our mind and change the society. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This is Abhinav, a 9th grade student. Today standing before you to share my thoughts on the topic, which is completely very important and can change your life, because as our topic is the journey of self-discovery. The journey of self-discovery profoundly encapsulates the profound power of self-discovery over brutality in our mind, like negative clouds prevailing in world. As there is a paper in which a only dot, we saw the dot, that is the symbol of negativity, but we don't see the white paper, which is symbol of positivity. Just like this, we should always focus on ourselves, not on other works, because Kabir Das has said, the great poet Kabir Das has said in his doha that we should see ourselves first, then other one. Because if you see yourself, then no one can say that you are bad or wrong. And if anyone is saying about you that you are wrong or right, then don't think about it, because if you will think about it, then different type of thoughts will arise in your mind. We should have always motivation, and we should always practice journaling, creating new things, and visit new place. We should always practice meditation, because it will increase our concentration power, due to which we can possess anything which we want. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected chairperson, respected principal, respected teacher, and all my dear friends. I am Prakash Yadav from class 9. Today my topic is the journey of a self-discover. As you know, that means the journey of a self-discover, when the reflections means emotions and develop, when the path of a journalist, when the emotions win our mind development, and select our goals. Select our goals means main focus of select our goals and to force on a development our mind. When us development, then our society and country are developments. In many we call the directly proportional to the us development, the society and the country is a development. In many characters of our developments, reflections, and select our goals, pedestrians, journalists. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all and all present here. This is Pami Gupta from Standard 9. Today I got a chance to share my thoughts on the topic of the journey of self-discovering. As we all know that the journey of self-discovering is too much difficult, because in the way of self-discovery we face many challenges in the way. As we know that to self-discovery we should try many times to check that this is right or this is wrong. So we can say that the self journey is too much difficult. As we take the examples of Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha, he was one of the most famous who self-discovering of purpose of his life, because in 20-year age he left his home, because he want to know that what is the purpose of his life. then they travels many years, like exacting approx 7 years. And in last 7 days, in the under of Buddha tree, he enlightenment their knowledge and knows his purpose for light. And he also said sermon. His first sermon is at Banaras. So we can say that the self journey is too much difficult. The benefit of self discovery is self awareness, importance of relationship, and etc. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed judge and my fellow student, good morning to all of you. Myself Krishna Kumar from class 9, and today's my topic is the journey of self-discovery. Firstly, what do you mean by self-discovery? The discovery of ourselves. Many people go to meditation, river, mountain to find our skill. Many skills are hidden in our minds or our thought. Let's us take example of many popular people such like Buddha, Mahatma Gandhi, etc. Buddha enlightenment in 7 days, and he get enlightenment on a Bodhi tree. The discovery of self is the very difficult task to how we progress and what our characteristics are hidden. The society helps in to find our character, such like it behaves to that and find how our character is found. The society play a vital role in there. The discovery of self is the most precious thing that we find. We can create a new mind in our thought. Such like we are going such like mountain, river, pound, etc. for our peace. The peace is help to find our self characters, such like a person which is disturbance by violence, and a person which is not disturbance by violence and he have peace. So the second person got progress because he find their characteristics. In human usually there are many characteristics such like kindness, etc. And in bad way there are many characters such like jealous, thieving, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you present here. I am Nancy from Standard 9. Today I stand before you to talk about the journey of self-discovery. The journey of self-discovery means a people who knows, this is the process by which people know about themselves and feelings about their others and find new discovery. There are many people live in this world. All people have their different ideas and different thoughts about their self-journey towards self-discovery. Many people doing exercise, meditations, and due to paper has more patience than people. Due to that, they are like to writing journalism. Journalism means writing their feelings on diary and to give you new perspective. Due to they get new perspectives and learn many things from their life. Self-discovery means they can lead the progress of our relationships, making better decisions and many extra. We should also do self-discovery because we have many problems in our life. So we can handle by the self-discovery by solo traveling, writing, journalizing, and many etc. That's our full thing too.
So only the storm of hot passions can turn into the destinies of people because he can alone emerge within his simplicity. So good morning everyone. Myself Omji Singh and I am a student of class 9. Today I am present here to talk about on the journey of self-discipline. So firstly, journey of self-discipline started from positive mindset because in which it is the process of deeping feeling and our strength. That is the main intentions to we feel very important, and so in which the self-interest and self-awareness of people, that is very responsible for self-discipline. So self-discipline is the ability to stay focused on your goal and so our impulses. So when we self-awareness, in which our thought and feeling, that depend upon our mindset. So mindset also learn the discipline, because you cannot change your past, but you can change your present and your future. So it is the main intention of self journey. And in last, I would like to say that self journey is the medium in which a person achieve their goal and also do best in your future. So thanks for today. Having a nice day.
A pleasant good morning to all of you. I am Sanjal Rehan from class 9 and I am present here to deliver a short speech on the topic of the journey of self-discovering. The self-discovery means that the understanding of deeper understanding of on self. It includes that meditation, passion and discovery. Many people use meditation for self-discovering. It helps to mind freshness and many things. And journalism, activity like journalism, meditation help to self-discovery. That's all. Thank you.
So first of all, myself Rohit Patel of Standard 9. Today, my topic is the journey of self-discovery. It means self-discovery. Self-discovery, it means the purpose and personality. The now about your purpose, it personality, just like meditation. Who are to you? Who you are to? It means to meditation to yourself. This is discipline to your meditation and mountain, etc. Just like to how to get your meditation. It has to some about loud need for yourself, learning for yourself. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Rehan Jia from class 9. Today I am here to deliver a short speech on the topic of the journey of self-discovery. Self-discovery is the process of gaining a deep understanding of the discovery. And the key feature of the journey from experiences, life experiences, both negative and positive to valuable life in your discovery. Thank you.
So first of all, a very good evening to all of you, respected teachers, principals and my all dear friends. Myself Satyam Patel of standing on in front of you and presently reading class 9th. And today we gave me a golden opportunity to share something about the journey of our discovery on the behalf of CBSE Competitive School. As we all know that journey of our discovery means the knowing about purpose and faculty of our characteristics. So firstly we know where the journey of our discovery is firstly upon due to the means of where collaborate of people and where also due to the students of life and where. So firstly due the student life, the firstly of journey is very important in where our characteristics of discovery. Thank you.
A warm and pleasant good afternoon to all respected teachers, principal and all my dear friends. Myself Nitin Kumar from Astana in class 9. Today I am here to delivering a speech on the topic of a journey of self-discovery. A journey of self-discovery means learning of your life. It involves in what I am, who am I. Many people's journey like painting or many. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Afridi Qureshi from class 9. Today I am going to deliver a speech on the topic of the journey of self-discovery. The make of the journey and the decision. My life is of the journey of decision. Make people in the relationship and life was changed in my decision. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal and my dear friends. My name is Ravi Chaudhary from class 9. I am delivered to speak the journey of self-discovery. Self-discovery means learning of yourself. Who are you? Try new habit, painting and painting and playing a sport. Thank you.
Good morning, respected judge, teacher and fellow students. My name is Aswani Singh. I am a student of class 9. Today I want to talk about the journey of self-discovery. Self-discovery is the process of gaining deeper and understanding one's own value, beliefs, strength and weakness, passions and process of our life. Thank you.
First of very good morning to all of the respected teachers, all my friends. My name is Satyam Patel from class 9. I am delivering the topic of the journey of the self-discovery. The journey of the self-discovery is the journey of the man is two men is the journey is a single life is a very beautiful life. The journey of the self, our infinite, our accident, our very journey is that's all. Thank you.
A very warm and pleasant morning to all of you, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. This is Aradhya from Standard 9, stand before you to talk about the journey of self-discovery. The self-discovery means the gaining deeper information about ourselves. This topic is related to our daily life. To get more information about, get better information about ourselves, we should travel and do meditation. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected judges, teachers, and my fellow competitors. Myself, Asia Pravez from Standard 9. I currently read in CBSE Competitive School. I am both honored and privileged to stand in front of you. We gather here just moment like not to speak but learn, listen, and growth. Today, I am very excited to share my thoughts on the topic of the self-discovery, the journey of self-discovery. Have you ever asked yourself, who am I? Or what makes me happy and what makes me unique? It is the beginning of a journey of self-discovery. We are a student, so we are also different. Some others like playing sports, singing, and others like drawing. It's help us to make me what's we love, what's make me happy, and what's make my life unique. That is the self-discovery. Self-discovery is also help us to learn about our mistakes. Self-discovery makes our happy life for our followings: meditation, traveling. When we travel one place to another we learn about many places and our mind also refreshes. And some and others self-dependent is like strength, passion, and work hard. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Aditi Singh from class 9, and today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of the journey of self-discovery. First, we know what is a self-discovery. The self-discovery means the process of knowing deeper information about ourselves. Self-discovery is the journey of our life, which means like beliefs, strength, weakness, and many things. First, we know weakness. The weakness of our life, we know the beliefs, believe in ourselves, and many things. First, to increase the self-discovery, we do motivations and some many things like motivation increases our self-confidence. And the great example of the self-discovery is Gautam Buddha, who always do meditation. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all of you. This is Meenakshi Singh from Standard 9. Today I say about the self-discovery. What means of self-discovery? That means of self-discovery, we go from a journey and meditation for relax our mind and etc. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teacher, honorable principal sir, and all my dear friends. Myself Parul Singh from class 9, currently read in CBSE Competitive School Mohania in Kemo. Today I am standing here to deliver a speech on the topic of the journey of self-discovery. The journey of self-discovery is the process of understanding yourself. Many people think how to empiric on discovery. First, writing. Write your feelings on diary. Second, meditation. Meditation is the biggest medicine for every physical and mental problem. Second, try new things. Try new things in your life. Third, set your goals. Set your goals about what you want and what you make yourself in your future. That's all. Thank you.
First of all, a pleasant morning to one all present here. This is Mama Shaila from class 9 and today I got a chance to share my thoughts on the topic of the journey of self-discovery. The process of gaining a deeper understanding of one's value, including one's values, oneself, strength, weakness, and thank you.
First of all, a very pleasant good morning to one and all present here. I am Disham Jahangir from class 9. Today, I am here to introduce about an important topic for us. That is journey of self-discovery. The journey of self-discovery means the people know about itself and going meditation. Meditation is one thing that people know about well and interested in own life. That is like Gautam Buddha going meditation for enlightenment. Thank you.
A lovely pleasant good morning to all and all present here. This is Akansha Kumari of Standard 9 and today I am excited to talk about the journey of self-discovery. So what means self-discovery? Self-discovery is the process of gaining deeply to. So self-discovery is a lifelong journey. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Ragini Singh from Standard 9 and today I am here to talk about an important topic, the journey of self-discovery. It is a that process where gaining deeper information like one's value, strength, belief and weakness. You should try new things like meditation, reflection and extracurricular activities. But in my opinion, you should always believe in yourself and that's all. Thank you.
A very pleasant morning to one and all present here. This is Alia Parveen from grade 9 and today I am standing here to deliver my thoughts on the topic of the journey of self-discovery. What is self-discovery? It is a process of gaining deeper description about yourself. That means how deeply you know about yourself and how deeply you can discover about yourself. Self-discovery leads to introspecting. That means knowing yourself deeply. The more you inspect yourself, the more you can know about yourself. To know more about yourself, you have to travel as more as you can. You should have self-awareness about yourself, like understanding your personality. You have not to lose your hope and make better decisions about yourself. The best way to know about yourself is clearing your mind, and you can clear your mind via meditation and journaling. So with the help of meditation and journaling, you can clear your mind easily and know about yourself better. That's all. Thank you.
First of all, a pleasant morning to one and all present here. This is Ariba from Standard 9 and today I get a chance to share my experience on the topic of the journey of self-discovery. The journey of self-discovery is very important for our life. It became our life happy and easy. There are many ways to discover ourselves. Try new things, do your favorite hobbies, traveling, adventure, etc. Thank you.
First of all, a lovely good morning to all of you respected teacher, principal, judges and my fellow competitor. This is Sabah from class 9. Today I got a chance to share my thought on the topic of the journey of self-discovery. This topic is related to our life journey like brief, strength, passion, weakness and purpose in life. We discuss example one by one. Firstly, we discuss on belief. Weakness. We try to find our weakness in any problem. Purpose. We make purpose how to live a life. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning. Before I start, I would like to thank higher officials for giving an opportunity to share my thoughts. I, Simran Kumari, on the behalf of the student committee, I am standing here and voice out my thought about a journey of self-discovery. There are many difficulties in way of self-journey.
Good morning to all of you respected teacher, principal, judges and all my fellow competitors. This is Saina from class 9. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of the journey of yourself.
Good morning to all of you respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Raj Mora. Today my topic is a journey of discovery. A journey of discovery is a very incredible and useful topic. What is the journey of discovery means when we go to along the visit other side and see the nature, and when our mind is refreshed and we thinking the more idea next to our make life better. A journey of discovery is a good thing for our mind and health. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Aryan Kumar from class 9. Today our topic is the journey of self-discovery. Self-discovery means know about oneself. Self-discovery is the way of achieve immortality by meditation. Meditation is help to perfect our mindset to achieve goals and to create goals and achieve our success. But meditation is not only the journey of self-discovery. So the part of exploring of the world is the part of the journey of the discovery, which means we travel in all over the world and see all natural views and see all natural views and thank you.
A very good morning to all of you. Myself Dibu Gupta from class 9. Today I am going to deliver a speech on the topic of the journey of self-discovery. First of all, I want to tell you what is a self-discovery. Self-discovery is the process in which a person takes outcome with ourselves. So many factors wants to a self difference, such as thank you.
A very good morning to all of you, respected principal, teacher and all my dear friends. My name is Ravi Kumar from class 9 and today I am going to deliver a speech on the topic of the journey of a self-discovery. The process of gaining of a deeper understanding of oneself, including one value, beliefs, weakness, strength and purpose of life. We can make our self-discovery by meditation, by setting goal and try new thinking. This can help in boost our imagination and thinking power. This also helps in our self-discovery. That's all. Thank you.
A very pleasant morning to all of you respected teachers, principals, sir, director, ma'am, and all my dear friends. Myself, Vivek Kumar from standard 9th, and today I got a chance to share my experience on the topic of journey of the self-discovery. As we all know that human beings are very intelligent organisms in the whole world. The journey of discovery means finding our intelligence and character and personality. Some things that help to find our their self-discovery is meditations. Thank you.
Warm and pleasant morning to respected chairperson, principal, teachers and all my dear friends. This is Jyotish Kumar Singh from standard 9, standing in front of you to tell about the journey of self-respect, the journey of self-discovery. The journey of self-discovery means find ourselves in our journey, our awareness, our hardness, our weakness, our talent, our behavior. We found the journey of self-discovery. The help of self-discovery we can know what is our talent, what is bad things in our behavior. When we know what is our talent, we work according to our talent and development, and we can develop. So the journey of self discovery is important for us. Thank you for your great attention.
Good morning to all present here, respected principals, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Hana Aram of class 9. Today I want to say about on the topic of journey of discovery. Discovery is the process in which a deeper. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Omraj from class 9. Today's my topic is a journey of self-discovery. Also you know that we live in the earth. The peoples are going to trip for her mind expressing. It is very important for any people, because any people was going to restart her mind, and in mountain it is doing meditation like sands and woods etc, and many people was going to trip for meditation and for silent. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respect teachers, principal, and all my dear friends. Myself, Sir Keshri, the standard of 9th grade. Today my topic is the journey of self-discovery. Self-discovery means the process of gaining deeper information about ourselves. It increases our self-awareness, relationships, friendships, etc. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Rasim from class 9. Topic is the journey of self-discovery. The journey of self-discovery is a self-discovery is the process of understanding and processing each journey.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Suha Yadav, standard 9, and today I want to talk about the journey of self-discovery. When we talk about self-discovery, what is it mean? It means that the discovery of a human about their life. When I talk about a human life, then somebody said that life means a comfortable life which like a heaven. But according to me, it is not an example of life. Life means we visit or explore the world alone, like from previous many decades or centuries. Our saints are went to Mount Everest, like cold places, and live alone and do meditation, by which they get enlightenment. It is real life. Real life is not that live in lavish palace. It is not life. So we should also do meditation and explore about the world and visit the real life. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, dear teacher, all my dear friends. Myself, Kaif Ali, standard class 9. Today my delivery speech on the topic of the journey of self-discovery. Self-discovery, it is a very important in our life. So self-discovery most important in our life, because some people use the self-discovery on going for Himalaya, and thank you.
First of all, very all of you, myself Sachin from standard 9. My topic is the journey of self-discovery. The self-discovery is a modern life is a deeper of self-understanding of by relationship and thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Rasa, and I am from class 9. Here I am to deliver a speech. My speech is about the journey of self-discovery. It is the process of knowing ourselves. It shows our disparity, confidence, and our interest about something, etc. सर हो गया.